tutorial. In last class we have discussed about loop control statements, and in today's class we are going to discuss about functions. Okay, so hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel Easy Engineering. Hope you all are doing good. If you are watching this channel for the first time, watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, then do share like the video and comment down your thoughts, as well as subscribe to this channel. So let's get into this video. So we are having functions. Functions is nothing but it is a block of code which can be reusable inside that code itself. Okay, see, inside a program, if you are having it is a block of code, we have to define it and we can reuse it anytime. We can call it anytime we want. Means see, this Python will be having both the built-in functions and user-defined functions. Means built-in is nothing but inside that Python modules itself we will be having some functions. Those are known as built-in, and user-defined is nothing but user will be defining the functions. So now we will know how to define a function. How to define a function means use the def keyword, def, right? We have to use this def keyword followed by the function name and parenthesis. See, like this we are having example here. Def is a keyword and greet is the name of the function. All the rules of creating a variable name will becomes for creating this function name also. This is also a variable name, so all those rules will be followed to create this function name also. After that, followed by a parenthesis. After we will be having some colon, because see here we will be having indentation, right? So for every indentation we are having, we have to follow colon. See, for if, for loop, for while, for if else, something, for everything which is needed an indentation, we wanna use this colon itself. Okay, right. In the next line we will be having some indentation, and we have to write the body of that function. This will what the use of functions will be. See, there is no need to write a block of code many times, right? If this is used, see, if we are having some 100 lines of code, see, I'll be explaining you. See, I'll be having some 100 lines of code like this. So, but for every line, see, let's consider these are some 100 lines of code we'll be having. Yes, now see, for this line we need some block of some 50 lines. See, that need to be run. Okay, that same 50 lines are used here also and here also. So what we can do, what we will be doing without functions means we'll be simply writing that 50 lines of code here and here and here as well. This makes the code longer than usual, and it will take so much time, and it is not possible by a human to write those many, some 1000 lines of code, right? So that is the reason we are just reusing the code once written. See, if we are having those type of codes, then we will be just just storing it in a function and calling that function whenever that 50 lines of code is required. That 50 lines of code will be once written inside this function itself, and when we call that function with the name of the function, then all that 50 lines of code will be executed, right? Yes. Defining a function, I think you will be understood. You have understood it. And calling a function. After defining, see, I have just said how to call a function, right? See, just we should call that function by the name of the function. Okay, by function name we can call along with some parenthesis. Okay, yes, that's it. See, now here we are having this example, right? For this example, after we are calling it, the output will be hello, right? Here inside this function we are having this, right? Yes, hello, print hello. This will be executed and the output will be coming as hello itself. Yes, and defining a function is completed, and now we are having function with parameters. In the function we will be having some parameters as well. See, we are having this function, but see, while having this function we need to we'll be having some other values to print here. See, instead of hello we'll be having some bye, some hi, like that. We'll be having some other words instead of this, so that can be also done by these functions. Okay, yes, how that will be happen means function with parameters. See, in the place of parameters we should give the value what it should be printing, like that, what it should take, that's it. So you can pass data to a function using parameters, means that data means see, this function will be there for in every line of code, means in every place where there is a required of printing a function, then we will be having then we cannot only print this, right? We'll be having some other words we want to print, others means other values we want to print. See, for at first line of code we want to print hello, and in last line of code we want to print bye, and in middle we want to print something like hello good morning, hello good evening, like that. So to do all those we cannot create those many functions, right? Those many functions we cannot create them. So instead of creating like that, we can create only single function, and here we wanna add some parameter. So here also we need to add some parameter inside this parenthesis, so that when calling a function, here we will be giving the value to the parameter. So with that value this inside this block will be executed. Okay, yes. So see, here we are having some example, greet name, right, and print hello name. That means, see, here we are having name as parameter, right? So while calling that function, see, we have given Daisy, right? So while executing, instead of this name will be replaced by Daisy. As we are having this as a parameter, see here, print hello name is nothing but here Daisy. We can create we can replace it with some other names also, right? So the output will be like hello Daisy. This name will be replaced by Daisy. Okay, that's it about function with parameters. Like this we can reuse the function, right? And next we are having function with return value. Function with return value means, see, at last we will be having some return statement without printing. See, whenever we are having a function, we will be having some return, means that function will be returning some value. See, it acts like print value, right? Okay, it will be acting like a print statement. So return is nothing but it will be giving this value at the output screen. So here we are having add function. So inside we are having two parameters, right, a and b, and return a plus b. Do you know what is the program? What is this program? It is sum of two numbers. See, yes, right? See, result equals to add 3, 4. The parameters are 3, 4. See, wait, let me explain. Yes, inside a 3 will be stored, and inside b 4 will be stored, right? 4 will be stored, and then inside, see, a is nothing but 3 and b is nothing but 4. So together it will be returning the value 7. So when we print it, the output will be becoming 7 itself, right? Yes. After that we are having default parameters. Parameters can have default values. That is nothing but see, here we are having greet name equals to guest. That is nothing but see, what we are having some default value here. right? See, here we are having the parameter as name, and if the user did not provide any value for this what parameter, so the default one will be coming, right? That default one will be guest itself. So hello, when the user did not give any what input for parameter, then hello guest will be printed like this. If the user gave any input like this Bob, then hello Bob will be printed, right? Yes, that's it about default parameters. And keyword arguments. Keyword arguments is nothing but, see here we will be having, you can call functions using keyword equals to value format. That means here we are having the function name as student and the parameters are name and age, right? So this is the block of code inside that function. So now when we are calling that, see, we can give like this, age equals to 20 and name equals to Sarah, like this. Means we can give the parameter name and the value of the parameter also while giving the parameters, right? Value for the parameters. Okay, yes, that's it for keyword arguments also. And okay, now let me explain you with a program, right? So first we want to define, we are going to define a function. So def some function name, let me take a small function addition, and here we are having a comma b, and inside this we are going to return a plus b, right? Yes, no semicolon. Yes, now let me call this function addition of 12 comma 23, right? Now let me run. Yes, there is nothing to print, right? Yes, after printing we'll be getting the value. Now yes, 35 we have got. The addition of 12 and 23 is nothing but 35, right? Yes, like this you have to define a function with def keyword. This is the name of the function and these are the parameters inside that function, right? And this is a return statement. We have completed more than 2 topics in one program itself. See, we have defined the function and function with parameters also, which are a comma b, and next function with return value. See, we are having return a plus b also here, and next default parameters. We should use default parameters. See, if we see now, instead of this, yes, let me remove it and let me ask the user to enter some x comma y, int of input, right? And next y, int of input. Yes, now inside this we are having x comma y. Now let me run it. Yes, it will be asking some values. I'm giving some 23 and some 34, which will be giving 57, right? Yes, we have got 57. See, like this the user will be giving output for default parameters. See, instead, if user did not give, if this was not there, then what should be done, right? A equals to 0, just remove the a and see. Yes, oh okay. So for everything we have to give. If the user did not provide anything, then all the values will be defaulted, right? Yes, now let me run. After running, yes, x is not defined. I have to replace them with a and b. Yes, now after running, a is not defined. Okay, Yes, let me just call that one. Yes, now we have got 1 itself, because see, we do not have any parameters here, we should not add here also. So the user did not given anything, any values, so we should not add in this print statement also. So these default values will be executed, and that's the result, we are getting 1. So default parameters is also completed. And next we are having keyword arguments. Keyword arguments means, see, I have already said you, let's see that a equals to 0. No, let me remove this. After this, yes, now b equals to 23 and a equals to 34. Now let me run. Yes, 57 is done, right? This is calling, this is nothing but a keyword argument. Next we are having these star arcs, keyword arcs, like that. These are some other topics, means these are some complex topics, so those will be discussed in other class. So that's all for today's class. If you have understood this topic, then do like, share and comment your thoughts, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any doubts, you can comment me down below, I'll be watching them out. And if you like this channel, do like this channel, do like this video, and subscribe to this channel.